It's Friday today, so I'm not going to do too much. In my previous video, I have switched from NFT storage API to Web3 storage, so the API from this platform. I also have a dashboard set up, so you can see the files or images uploaded here. In every page load of this dashboard, the data will be retrieved from the API, the remote API, which is not very efficient. So I'm thinking if I can have a database table to store the CID list of all the uploaded files, so that in this page load, I can query data from the database instead of the remote API, so that I can save at least one API call here, which will be more efficient. So let me use this example or case to show you how to use model and migration of Laravel to implement this feature. Firstly, let's go to the console and use PHP artisan make model command to create a CID record model with a migration. So you can see the model created and the migration script is with this name. Let's go to the code base. Now we have the CID record table. What we need is string CID, which is not null, and optionally we can have the file name. We simply use name. Okay, so sometimes we have file name, sometimes not. If I remember in Web3 storage API, when we upload a file, there will be no file name in the response. Instead, there's just one CID, so probably we don't need to record the name in the table, but we just leave a column there for the future development purpose, just in case. Okay, so this is the table. Next thing is the CID record model. Here we will use fillable to identify the fillable columns. CID name. I haven't used a model for a long time, so let's see. This is the model. Next, let's create a table. So we need to run and PHP artisan migrate. So table will be created in the database. Let's see. Yes, this is a table. Next step is to store every CID to the table. Now let's go to Web3 storage. When every time we store a file and successfully get a CID, we can say if CID normal and here we are going to use CID record create. CID right, and name, file name. So this is the I need to confirm if it's create or save. I haven't used for a while, so I need to confirm, but I think that should work. Now let's try it at least. So let's go to the dashboard. Now I'm going to submit image example 6 and submit. Yeah, so you can see the API call sometimes is very slow. And okay, now let's refresh the table. Now we see the CID is stored here. Okay, you can see it's very slow. Sometimes it totally depends on the performance of the IPFS gateway. If you're looking to the URL of the image here, it's from IPFS gateway, so ipfs.io. The performance of this site is the key to the page load speed. Okay, we are not optimizing this part. We are just optimizing the performance of the first page load of the dashboard. So now we have the data in the data table. Next step is let's go to the dashboard. You can see the store files. This is actually from the web.php root. So in this root is going, you can see we are reading or retrieving data from the IPFS storage service. So it's from the remote API call. So instead here we can use CID record and all. So we got the records. Next step is, okay, let's comment this. Go out this line, and we need some data processing here. So instead here you can see this is how we form the link. We will do the same. Now let's go here, come back here. So for each records, we got each record. CID is from the database record. Now we can form the CID. So this is how we can build the link out of build the dashboard out of the database table storage. So now we should only see one from the page. That's because we only have one record in the database. The other three you just saw on the page were from the remote API. So we need to think of a way to sync the remote storage, remote data storage, or remote files data, sync it back to the database. So it's not part of the topic today. Instead, so I'm just optimizing the page load here. So I'll say example 7, and I'm going to upload this file. Once it's uploaded, it will be also stored in database. You can see here it's already uploaded. Why the page is still loading? That's because the image is being loaded from the IPFS gateway. It's pretty slow. Next step, we will try to improve or optimize this part. Okay, I think that's it for today. I'll see if I have chance to upload all the project code to GitHub so that it can be shared with you guys. Okay, I think that's it for today, just for the weekend, a short one. Next week I'll start thinking of how to develop a Laravel package so that these Web3 storage API can be used as a customized file driver. Okay, that's it for today. So you can see how we can use the local database to optimize some of the features in the Laravel application, especially in the operation to the remote API. So this is the way you can use, or the practice you can apply in your day-to-day application. Thanks for watching. If you feel this is useful, remember to thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.